Veterinarians across Hampton Roads are struggling to keep up with an increasing demand for care. Doctors in the area say a nationwide veterinarian shortage is overwhelming clinics and driving up wait times.
A pet parent says she recently struggled to secure her dog an emergency surgery. Area vets tell Allison Bazzle how they are battling the shortfalls.
Hey, Jelly Bean!
Sometimes pups like Jelly Bean just need a quick checkup.
We take a look.
But vets across Hampton Roads are caring for pet patients like her on top of an influx of new patients.
We really felt it when COVID hit. People adopting new pets.
Dr. Barbara Sheffield owns Salem Veterinary Hospital in Virginia Beach. She says demands for service are taking a toll on practices around the area because there aren't enough vets to go around.
We've been looking for, full-time veterinarians for several years now.
Dr. Sheffield says emergency vets are fielding the same challenges.
You may go to emergency and wait 7 hours.
Now she says she finds herself having to send pet owners to ERs farther away.
In Suffolk and Williamsburg and Richmond, but that's a ways away.
2 weeks ago, Angie Dunstan found herself racing from Gloucester to an emergency vet in Suffolk for her pup, Lil Bit.
Just praying that she wasn't going to die en route.
Dunstan says her dog needed an emergency hysterectomy.
$3,600 deposit. And at that point, it was like, if I got to go donate an organ or something, I'm going to do what we have to do.
The veterinary care gap is only going to grow wider, according to Mars Veterinary Health, the world's largest provider of veterinary care. Their research says more than 40,000 new vets are needed to meet projected demand in 2030.
We're trying our best to, try to accommodate people.
Dr. Nicholas Rinaldi works at Blue Pearl, an emergency vet hospital in Virginia Beach, and says the demand impacts staff mentally.
We've seen a lot of veterinarians leave the field.
It's a topic Dunstan has heard before as a licensed counselor.
And I have had some clients that are veterinarians, and they do talk about the fact that it's very difficult to tell someone we don't have any more openings.
As vets deal with a larger workload, Dr. Sheffield encourages people to keep up with routine checkups and remain patient.
If we're seeing an urgent case or a very sick animal, that takes time to run blood work.
She's hopeful more people will take on the challenge of joining the veterinary field.
We all went into this because we love animals, and we just want to make their lives better.
In Virginia Beach, Allison Bazzle, 13 News Now.
And we are happy to report Angie Dunstan says Lil Bit, the rat terrier, is doing extremely well after her surgery. For more information on how national organizations are working to combat the veterinarian shortfalls, head to 13newsnow.com.